Not all protests are created equal. Peaceful protest is protected by law. It's what allows people to march, chant, hold signs, or stage sit-ins without fear of arrest, so long as they obey public safety regulations. However, when protests turn violent, such as destruction of property, physical altercations, or arson, their legal protections weaken. Police can step in, and arrests can be made. The government typically encourages peaceful protest because it promotes dialogue. Violence, on the other hand, is often used to discredit the cause, even if it arises from police escalation or outside agitators. Historically, some of the most effective protests, like those led by Gandhi and MLK, were explicitly nonviolent. But in moments of intense injustice, not everyone agrees that peace is enough. One of the biggest questions around protest is, when can the government send in the National Guard? The National Guard is a reserve military force controlled by both state and federal governments. Governors can activate it during emergencies, natural disasters, civil unrest, or large-scale violence. We've seen this during the civil rights protests of the 1960s during Hurricane Katrina, and recently during Black Lives Matter protests and ICE demonstrations. Importantly, the Guard is distinct from the regular United States military. Why doesn't the United States use its military against civilians? Because it's illegal, mostly. The Posse Comitatus Act of 1878 prohibits the use of the Army or Air Force for domestic law enforcement unless explicitly authorized by Congress or the Constitution.